Hello everyone, today we are here at Ijams Nature Center here in Knoxville, Tennessee. We're gonna go look around at some of the trails and things to do. So let's get started, shall we? Here's the visitor center. It is open from 10 o'clock till 5 o'clock. And let's go take a quick look, shall we? Oh, it's pretty. I like the fabric. On the right you have the bathrooms, and up on the left you got nice posters of different things. Inside here you got the gift shop. Oh, what's this? Ivory billed woodpecker. They're pretty big. Here's a quick look at the gift shop. They have t-shirts, patches, socks. They have cute little things like break your own geodes. And they got a bat, some plushes, bug box, more stuffies up here, snakes, birds with real audio calls. Barn owl? Gotta try the blue jay. Bluebird.
Yeah, should be good.
And we'll do the mountain bluebird. Oh, those are cool. License plate birdhouses. And some more things. So cute. Taking a left from the gift shop area and a right from the entrance to the visitor center, they got a bunch of cute little exhibits. It says welcome. And thank you for your donation. This cute little guy, albino turtle. We have an eastern box turtle. Black rat snake, even though that snake looks white. How cute. I don't see nothing in here. Oh, there's a fish down at the bottom. Some fish. And we have more fish. See them? So cute. But this is a cute little fish tank. They have this big part of the exhibit, and I don't even know what's inside, but it looks really cute. So today we are here on the North Cove Trail, going to the wooden bridge that loops around this giant tree. And I've seen it online countless times, and I've always wanted to come here, but now we finally get to, and I'm excited, so let's go see it, shall we? Let's go this way. When you leave the visitor center, you hug the building to the left and you find this trail that we're on right here. And you walk. It's a mile loop trail and it's supposed to be really pretty. Let's take a look. I like the little house off in the center. It's really cute. And then the trees and the foliage, they're beautiful this time of year. They're starting to change colors. We're going to start our journey on the North Cove Trail. I'm surprised we've never been here before. This is really pretty. Hear the birds. You're going to end up going down a hill, veering to the left, and after that there's a first bridge. Let's look at that. First bridge. What do you think so far, babe? Oh, really? No way. Jump. Hooray.
Oh!
A little bit further. You guys are a little bit further. So after thinking we took the wrong way, we finally made it to the boardwalk section of the trail, and here it is. It's so pretty, let's go. This trail's pretty. But make sure you pay attention, everyone. There are stairs.
There's a lot of snake sightings in this area.
It's neat. They are training for something. That's really cool. The view is pretty. Can I go in it, BB? Along the trail, you'll come across this cave. And you can see up in there a little bit, it's gated off and fenced off. But it would be a really cool exploration if you knew what you were doing. On this mile trail, we got some tired little hikers, so he is on my shoulders. Aren't you, Bobby?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's
We went from the North Cove Trail to the River Walk Trail, and now we're heading to the Tower Trail to loop back around to get to the visitor center. This trail is really pretty though. Super Dad. We're going from the river trail to the tower trail. And it's called the tower trail because you'll see why in just a second.
You got this, buddy.
Good job, BB. Come on. Good job, Genevieve.